4 reasons specifically that thinking is keeping you broke. Reason number 1 is targeting or attraction. Do you want your prospects to think, to overthink, to have analysis by paralysis with their decisions? Probably not. You don't want those types of prospects. You don't want to do all the objection handling. You don't want to do a bunch of follow-up. You don't want to have those types of conversations where it's just constantly dealing with people that think and think and think and think and don't take action. Well, if you understand anything about reality creation, laws of the universe, attraction, manifestation, parallel universes, holographic universes, the levels of consciousness, truth versus falsehood, power versus force, if you understand any of this, you will understand that what you receive in life is a reflection of who you are. You don't get what you want in life. You can't sit there and write in your morning journal, hope today is a day with decisive prospects that don't overthink everything. Meanwhile, you're the person that's overthinking financial investments, taking action on joining a community, a mastermind, training, mentorship, going to the next level, investing in yourself. Doesn't matter what you want. It matters who you are. Your state of being, your level of consciousness, your vibration, your frequency, your energy determines what you attract, what you target and bring into your life. So the first reason that thinking is keeping you broke is because you're attracting the type of prospects that are more difficult, that don't close, that you don't want to be on the phones with. So how about you stop being the person that you don't want to attract onto your sales calls? That is the first way that thinking is keeping you broke as a salesperson. The second way is your thinking actually serving you, or is it sabotaging you? You are not actually thinking, when it comes time to investing in a mentorship, about solutions and action steps and plans. No, what you're actually doing is you're in negative mind loops, you're in scarcity, you're in doubt, you're in fear, you're in risk aversion, and all of those are states of disempowerment rather than states of empowerment. Nothing that you're thinking about when it comes time to making an investment is actually useful or productive or going to get you to where you want to go. You're just rationalizing and telling yourself the excuse, the ignorance, the arrogance of, I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking about when's the right time and when I should make the investment. Your thinking, 99% of thinking, by the way, is very useless. It is actually what's called rumination or ruminating. You're just thinking in a fucking circle. You're not thinking productively about a plan and a route and a course of action to get an outcome. You're just overanalyzing everything. Analysis by paralysis, procrastination, distractions, excuses. They are unproductive. So the second reason that thinking is keeping you broke as a salesperson is you're not thinking about anything that's useful. You're actually just staying in this toxic, negative, pessimistic, doubtful, scarce mindset. Not only is that keeping you from taking the specific action that you need to take, it's keeping you from attracting positive, abundant life force into your life. You're in doubt, you're in anxiety, you're in apathy, you're in fear. None of that is useful when you understand spirituality, which is why I was so blessed to be taught a way of selling called Self-Actualized Sales that combines selling with spirituality. And the personal development side of it, the self-actualizing, is learning these spiritual principles and then living by them, which is why having a mastermind or a community where other closers are on this path is so useful, because you're not the only weird one on this path of trying to apply spiritual laws of the universe to your selling. You're around other people that understand this is the way. This is how life works, so I may as well use it instead of having it work against me as a salesperson. And then selling becomes easier. Selling becomes more fun. You serve more prospects. You don't have to do as much, if any, objection handling or follow-up. And obviously, you make shitloads more money. $100,000 a month in commissions. We've taken 5 closers in a group of 111 people to all earning over $100,000 a month in commissions. And we've all done it in 17 months or less. The reason we've done it so quickly is because we've had a mentor. My clients have 2 mentors, myself and my mentor, the mentor's mentor. The reason we've all done it so quickly is because we have a mentor that has taught us the way the world works, the way the universe works. Not scripts and tactics and gimmicks and word tracks and memorizing things and then not doing any inner work or changing our identity. You can't change your external reality without changing who you are. And a very tiny piece of that is your actual words and your tonality and your communication skills. A tiny piece of it. Who you are as a person, your actual identity, is the umbrella that everything sits inside. If you don't change the outer umbrella, you aren't expanding your peak of how much you can actually change your life. All right, so that's the second reason, is your thinking is not actually useful. It's a complete fucking waste of time, specifically to get the outcome of making the investment, and a complete waste of time that you're just attracting more negative scarcity and limitations into your life. The third way that thinking is keeping you broke as a salesperson is you have to understand transcending. Transcending. What this means is that you need to act as the person that you want to be to become that person. You don't get the thing and then change your mindset. You act as the person and then have the thing. This is exactly what I said about the wealthy people, about something being the result of something versus something being the cause of something. You're saying, when I have more money and it's more comfortable and it's easier and the financial investment is not as scary, there's less risk involved, then I'll make the investment. That's not the version of you that lives a wealthy life. The version of you that lives a wealthy life is the one that says, I'll do it now, I'll do it quickly, I'll do it powerfully, I'll take a fucking risk, I'll bet on myself, I will move forward. That is the version of you that would actually have the life you want to live. You have to understand this point of transcending, which is you don't stay the version of you that you are right now and just keep moving forward, and your outer reality is just going to change. No, you're the version of you that you are right now, and you need to act as the person that would be the future version of you at the end goal, and you act reverse engineering from the end goal. This is Neville Goddard, this is spirituality. Act as if you're that person. Act from the end in mind. Feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, which is, if I had that money, how would I feel? I'd feel calm, I'd feel relaxed, I'd feel poised, I'd feel graceful, I'd feel decisive, I'd feel clear, I would take the action, I'd make the investment. You have to act as that person before you are that person. That's how transcending works. You don't just wait to the day that you just wake up one day and you're this wealthy, decisive action taker that has the life of your dreams. It doesn't work like that. You have to have courage. You have to have imagination. You have to have vision. You have to actually be that person today before you are actually that person. And then you will actually get to have the things that you want to have. And then you don't have to worry about, changing my mindset. You already are that person because you've been acting as that person, and then you'll get the thing. So the third reason that thinking is keeping you broke is you're thinking from the version of you that you are right now, the person that you are right now. You have to be the person that you want to be, which wouldn't be thinking and over-analyzing, making a financial investment. So it goes back to the point I said at the start of the video. The wealthy people that have the money, they are wealthy because they changed their mindset. They don't have an easier mindset when it comes to spending money because they just woke up one day and Santa Claus delivered them millions and millions of dollars. So that is the third reason that thinking is keeping you broke as a salesperson. The fourth and final reason is leadership. Your ability to lead someone else, your prospects, through something is equal not to your memorizing of your fear-overcoming word tracks or metaphors or analogies. It's from your personal experience. This is what gives your voice tone. It gives your voice color. It makes your voice grounded, not shaky as you're riffing off your memorized objection handler or rebuttal or pre-frame objection handler or metaphor that you've practiced a bunch of times on a role play call. No, the words, when you've lived them, when you've experienced them, they come from experience. They're not borrowed words. You don't have to think of what to say. You don't have to think of your body language. You don't have to think of the tonality. This is the truth. Truth versus falsehood, power versus force. When you've lived something and it's authentic, it's real, it's congruent, you just know what to say. Because someone asks you, or they say to you, I'm scared, it's a lot of money. You just talk from been there, done that, got the t-shirt, know how you feel. This is why I made the decision. This is how I did it. Do you want to align with me and do what I did? That's now the reason that I'm leading you, not the other way around. All of your metaphors and analogies and words and tonality will just come to you. And that's so much more liberating as a salesperson, and it's liberating for your soul, for your essence. You know, I'm not saying something that some other sales trainer wrote out that I've never lived. I've never actually faced my own fears of not overthinking investing money, attracting people that I don't want on my sales calls and being pissed off that I've got these prospects. No, when you actually truly become a leader is when you do the thing that you need to do, and therefore you can help other people through it. So the fourth way that thinking is keeping you broke is it's removing your access to real leadership. You want to be a leader on your course so you can actually lead your prospects. But more importantly than that, you want to be a leader because what you're really seeking in life is not sales or mastering sales. It's your hero's journey. It's going on an adventure. It's responding to the call to adventure, which is to face challenges, to evolve through them, to transcend them, to overcome them, to know what you're made of, to know your potential. You only do that when you actually step up and be a leader. So not only is it keeping you broke financially to not be the leader, but it's keeping you broke internally. You're not ever going to have real meaning or fulfillment or purpose or true deep satisfaction if all you're doing on your sales calls is faking leadership. So those are the 4 ways that thinking is keeping you broke as a salesperson. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.